Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Over here, choose I accept in this pop-up and adjust your wallpaper however you wish to in those wallpaper settings. Then click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to click on Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. So now when I go back, I can set my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!